Hello friends, welcome to our channel CAD/CAM Solution Merit. And today we are going to create this model. And this is a solid model, and we have some views. This is my bottom view. From the bottom, we can see this is the bottom view. This is the front view. Okay, if we will rotate this that time, or according to this view, this is the top view and this front, and this is sectional view from BB. If you will cut this part from the center, this geometry will show. And one more view is there, which is the auxiliary view. You can see this is the view, auxiliary view, from this side, from A side. This is the view. For the proper dimension of this hole, we can use this view. And here we have one section CC. C is a section which is from this direction. Okay, we are looking from this direction. This view we can see. So I will start from the this top view, or we can say bottom view. So this is my top view according to this all orthographic. So I will start from this top view, and I'm going to create 1, 2, and one more 3. 3 third is 124 diameter circle. So all three circle I am going to create, and then we will see. Okay, this is the 3D model. You see, this is the top view as per the drawing. Okay, and front view is this, and auxiliary view is this. So we will start from the top or bottom, this view. From this view we will start. So this is my fresh drawing, and I'm starting from this XY plane. And now select circle, and 1, 2, and 3 circle. This outer circle is 140 diameter, change it to 140. And second, this diameter is 124, so change it to 124 millimeter. And the last one, which is this hole is 90. So this is 90 diameter circle. Now finish it, and I'm going to extrude this outer circle at 180 millimeter. So enter 180 and apply. And second circle I'm going to cut, which is offset at 12 millimeters. So enter 12 millimeter, then cut it up to 180 and select this subtract, then only it will cut. See, and third circle is this, which is from the bottom, and okay, see, okay. Now rotate it like this, so we can cut this. Select sketch and click this, orient the view, flip the plane, and okay. So draw a line. Now dimension it. Use this 70, and same 70 from the middle, and we have to define one angle. See, we have one angle 45 degree. So angle is from vertical, so angle is 45, and close. It is not touching it properly, so I am defining this as 180, so it will come at the top of this. Okay, so my first sketch is this, and now I have to draw this circle. Okay, so I have created this dotted line. Okay, we have created this dotted line, which is at the this dotted line. Okay, so now offset this at 4 degree, 4 millimeter. So offset 4 and select this circle. We don't need this symmetric, and click OK. Don't convert. Okay, convert this into reference, and OK, and drag this line. I'm increasing this line. Okay, dimension this 10 so that it will cut this. But here we have some problem. Okay, what is that? If we will cut from this line, so length, this height will reduce. So cancel it, undo, and we will start from this line. So finish, and use this extrude, and this is the curve. Use symmetric and select this open profile and click. This will cut. Now select same plane and orient the view, and this time I have to draw a circle, and this circle is 30 radius, 60 diameter. Okay, and the center of the circle and the vertical axis both will coincident, and it is 2 millimeter inside. So dimension, okay, just apply. Okay, cancel it. It is not coming. So go and select this offset curve, and 2 is the offset distance. But still it is not selecting this. So first we have to project. So here we have this project curve, and I am projecting this. Now offset 2 and click, and inside. Okay, now this point and line both will constant. Now my sketch is fully constant, and I'm just cutting this circle, exit, and select this extrude, click symmetrical value so that it will cut on the both side. Now we have to create this upper portion. Same plane we are going to select, orient the view, and here I'm starting from this point up to this, and this is perpendicular, and make it close. Okay, so this is my geometry, and this is okay. We have to offset inside. Okay, later we will do. And now then just apply the dimension, which is from here, from center to this line is 60. So click this, and the center is this, and line is this, and this value is 60, and close. Finish it, and now I am extruding this, and both side. Okay, reduce this, make it none. Okay, or first we can do this, move face, select this face, and dimension is 4 millimeter in minus direction, 4 in minus. Apply, and the same I am doing on this face, minus 4 on this face. Okay, now drag this after this, and double click, and I want to unite this with this previous body. So see, we have 4 millimeter gap now. Same, I'm doing here. So again select this plane and orient the view, and here I'm starting from this outer line and click, and the line is going up to this, a little bit inside, again inside, and matching to this line and make it close. Now I'm using some geometrical constraint like this perpendicular, so all angle will come properly, and finish. Okay, now we will dimension it, and from the y-axis this line is 70, which is already correct, and here we have this dimension, we don't have this dimension, no problem. And 7, this distance is 7, double click and enter this 7, and again this is 15, so this total is 15. Click this and change this dimension to 15. Okay, and we have this upper line which is 60 from the center, so click, and the center is to this line is 60. Just click OK and OK, and what is this, delete this, delete this. Now we can change, double click and apply 60. OK, and click, drag this point, and what is the distance, and this distance is this one, this upper distance which is 25, and apply 25. So my sketch is fully constrained. Close and finish, and extrude this sketch in symmetrical direction, symmetrical, and unite. Okay, and see, there is a step. So after uniting I am going to replace this face to this face, and okay. Now I am again using the extrude command, and I am extruding this, select subtract and two-sided offset, and preview. Okay, it will cut all the geometry which is outside the circle. Now if you want to hide all the sketches, most of the portion we have already drawn. Now we have to apply some hole. So select this hole and select this face, use this line and click. Now dimension, using this angle is 60 degree from vertical, so change it to 60, and this distance is 120, half of 120 is 60. Okay, 60 and close and finish. Double click and change this hole to threaded hole, and M8 is the size, and rest is okay, no need to change. Tip angle is 0 and depth, and apply. Okay, this is coming like this, so we have to apply this fillet of 2 millimeter before this hole. Okay, and now pattern it. So we have pattern, this is my hole, vector is this, 4 instance, and apply. Okay. Okay, we have to apply some fillet on more edges. So 2 millimeter fillet here, 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 and here, and here, and this, and again this inside, and apply. Here, here, and here we have already applied. So now only 2 holes are remaining, so I am going to select this face and orient the view, because I am going to create some point, and using this point first, and then second point, 2 point, the distance between both of these is 50, and first make them word horizontally aligned. Sorry, select both the point and make them horizontally aligned, and this distance is 25, half of 50 is 25, and here it is 60 minus 72.5 is 12.5, so this gap is 12.5, and close. And the same we have here. Okay, same we have here, so just go to this face and select orient the view. Okay, and draw 2 point, horizontally align, 25, again 25, and dimension. Now apply dimension, reset, is to 12.5, close, finish. Now select this hole, this is simple hole, so we have to assign 2 simple hole here and 2 chamfered hole here. So counter bores, 2 down counter bore is there, 1 and 2, and the dimension are 16 is the counter dia and 10.5 is the main diameter, 16 and 10.5, and apply. So this is the our model.